really need to know three realities that you need to accept. Now let's just look up what Forex actually means. What it's Forex. Right now, Forex, it is the foreign exchange market. Is a global decentralized market, and it is including trading currencies, trading gold, trading silver, trading things like indexes like S&P 500, US 30, the Nasdaq, whatever you want to trade. You can trade stocks, bonds, commodities, gold, metal, silver, whatever you want to trade. The reason thing you have to accept these three realities is really more of them, but one thing you need to accept that when trading forex, you have to have money. Do not be out here with trying to trade with only $10, $100. Yeah, work what you can work with, but be smart about it. Do this approach. Work your job, use that money from your job, a portion of it, 20 or 30%, to invest into trading forex. Because trading forex, you're gonna take a lot of losses. This is not something that is just gonna generate tons and tons and tons and tons of money at the beginning. This is something that's gonna require money to put into it, because this is an investment. Whatever you put in is what you get out of it. Now you got to be focused. You can't be distracted. You can't be doing a million one things. As soon as you come out of your 9 to 5, boom, get straight into it and do forex, right? Or if you're the type of person, you got to know the times to trade, right? Now let's even look at this, right? Forex session between London and the New York. The opening of the London going towards the opening of the New York going towards the end of the London, right? So I'm an early morning person. If you think about it in a smart way, money moves while people are sleeping, right? Money moves while people are sleeping, so it makes 100% sense, right? So be smart about it. The reality is you're gonna lose money, you're gonna make money. You gotta have the right mindset. You gotta master the skill, right? And this is something that you can't quit on. You got to look at this for the long term, right? You cannot be distracted. You just got to accept it and roll with it. You got to get the right information, and you also got to get the right mentor, learn from the right platform. A lot of y'all just want to learn off of YouTube. That's cool. You're not going to get very far with that. There's going to be a whole bunch of Forex gurus and a whole bunch of people with Telegram chats, this, that, and the third. People that are doing cryptocurrency scams, forex scams, say they'll trade for you, this, that, and the third, and then they'll take your money, they'll lose your money, and then you're just done, right? You see videos all over the internet, right? I appreciate all you guys for supporting the channel, watching the channel. I hope all the content that I'm dropping is very, very helpful. So this sort of three reality that you really want to come to accept. You're going to lose money. You're going to make money. You have to be focused. Do not quit your job. Work your job and put in a good amount of money. I would say $500 or more to trade with. That way you can actually see some returns and some gains. This is an investment, so be prepared and have the mindset to lose money. Master a skill, master a strategy, something you have to learn. Know what time to trade, Sydney, the Tokyo, to London, and you also have to check something like the news. I'm not going to go into a full depth. This is just a quick video I want to get out to you guys, just so you guys can know. More videos coming. Hey, if you guys want to learn more about the foreign exchange market, I have a playlist. Check that playlist out. Appreciate you guys. Look forward to the next video. But until then, check out our Forex market playlist on the YouTube channel. It has hundreds of videos.